Hey there, folks. I know this is a long time coming, but figured it's about time I finally get to explain a little bit about the build on this Elco Powered Electric Bass boat that I put together. As you can see, there's the completed product there. I didn't go too crazy with it, but I certainly wanted it very functional for our little electric lakes that we have in the area. It works fantastic. If you haven't seen any of the other videos, 10 mile an hour, one person or two person, doesn't matter, does 10 mile an hour, which I'm real happy with. Didn't lose any speed when we put the front deck on it. As you can see, it's pretty good size. The front deck, I think, is about 9 feet long. Pretty sweet. All aluminum. As you can see, the construction's all aluminum with channels. There it is. Put in channels, so the way I designed it, no water can get in these compartments unless you sunk it. So a huge lip on there. It's 1.5 inches tall. So that lip right there, it's about 1.5 inches tall, and then it's got drain holes that go straight down and drain below all the below the deck there. See, there's lots of room in there. Just got some miscellaneous tackle in there, but that's compartment number one. Here's live well. Decided to put a little live well in there just in case we got into some crappie. Do enjoy filleting them buggers up and having nice fish fries every now and again. You can see that's how I built the drain. You can make that out. And this is a little box. This box was already there and existing in the boat. And there's the 36 volt battery that I built, put in the boat. It's in there rock solid. See, thing doesn't move. A little on and off switch in there. You can see a little 12 volt Dakota lithium 10 amp hour battery that handles all the power on the boat. Don't need a whole lot on this thing. So so far that's been all that's more than taking care of our needs in this boat. All the lighting on it it's all LEDs, so we don't have a lot of load on it. This is our 48 volt 200 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery bank that I built. The original plan was to go across here, but when I built the box, unfortunately, I only measured between two ribs. Can't see them here now, but there was two ribs, one here and one there. I just measured one side, and being it was a manufactured boat, I wouldn't have even imagined that it'd be 2 inches out on the other side, but that's what I had. So when I put the box in there, tried to get the box in there, it wouldn't fit. So I had to kind of, instead of rebuilding the box, I said, well, let me see if this will work. And so far, it's been working good. It's pretty nice. It kind of acts as like a catwalk from front deck to the back deck, which is pretty cool. Works out pretty good for us. What else here? We made this little cover here. That's just for just to protect some of the bilge pump plumbing. This part of the back deck was already existing, as was this. We added this little filler plate. For all the storage down below. Live well pump, bilge pump, fire extinguishers, other safety stuff. Nice little ladder on it. You can get in and out of the boat a lot easier. There's the Elco, the 14 horse Elco. Gets us down the road pretty good. Let's see here, what else? Right in here was the existing, right in this area was an existing bench seat that we just basically integrated into the front deck. Like I said, all this front deck, it's all aluminum. Put in a recessed trolling motor pedal. Fabbed up a little tray there. It comes in handy. There's the mount that we fabbed up for the trolling motor. Plug there. And the old Fortrex, which I would certainly love to put an Ultrex on at some point, because after you have spot lock, it just ruins you. And I have that on my riverboat. There's the other side of this compartment in there. So yeah, that was the build. There's some switches down in there. A little switch array for controlling everything on the boat. You got some USB plugs and 12-volt outlets. There's the aerator and the fill for the live well. And nice, easy to get to fuse block, fuse panel. Yeah, if you ever see me out there, stop over and say hello. You never know when you might see me on one of these electric-only lakes of northeast Pennsylvania with this little buggy. Might even see my old man using it too. So, there she was. See you later.